Hello my dear parents, you are listening Priya on my channel Freestyle Parenting India. आज मैं हमारे बच्चों के लिए लाई हूँ 10 simple lines on peacock. So without any wasting time, let's get started. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Peacocks can be found in India. It has colorful feather. They have a long neck and beak. They can fly but not very high. They like to eat seeds and insects. Male peacocks are very colorful. Female peacocks are not as colorful. Peacocks make a loud sound. Peacocks are the national bird of India. Peacocks are my favorite because it is fun to watch them. So this is all about our national bird peacock. कई बार बच्चों को peacock के बारे में few lines लिखने को कहा जाता है या फिर कई बार उन्हें उनके favorite animal या birds के बारे में few lines लिखने को कहा जाता है. तो ऐसे में बच्चे इस तरह की simple lines pick कर सकते हैं. अगर आप किसी और animals पे ऐसे या 10 lines ढूंढ रहे हैं तो please do check my playlist. You will get all those videos and you can use that. That's all from my end. If you feel video is informative, please like and share. And if you want to see such more videos, do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.